The action camera world has been buzzing with anticipation. And finally, the moment has arrived. The GoPro Hero 14 Black is officially here, and it's making waves with promises that are too exciting to ignore. 4 months, rumors, leaks, and wild speculation have filled the internet, with fans wondering just how GoPro would top their already legendary lineup. Would it be a subtle refinement or a bold new chapter? Well, now we have the answers, and the Hero 14 Black is ready to prove itself. This camera isn't just another release. It's shaping up to be one of GoPro's most ambitious models yet. We're talking cinematic 8K video capture, smarter-than-ever stabilization, extended recording power, and smarter AI-driven tools that make filming easier and more creative. It even packs upgrades to design and connectivity that could completely change the way creators, athletes, and adventurers share their stories. In this video, we're going on a deep dive into everything the Hero 14 Black has to offer. From the redesigned hardware to the powerhouse performance and the brand new creative features, we'll find out whether this camera still holds the crown as the ultimate action camera in 2025. Welcome to Factic. Let's break it all down. The GoPro Hero 14 Black is proof that GoPro continues to refine its winning formula while still pushing forward with bold upgrades. At first glance, the design feels familiar, but small refinements make a big difference. It remains fully waterproof without a case, but the slimmer, sleeker body is engineered for better heat management, ensuring longer recording times without interruptions. The buttons now feature improved tactile response, something you'll instantly appreciate when filming in wet conditions or with gloves. Add to that a brighter rear touchscreen and a higher refresh rate front display, and you've got a camera that's easier than ever to frame and control, even under tough conditions. When it comes to performance, this is where the Hero 14 Black truly steps up. Native 8K video recording at 30 frames per second delivers cinematic clarity that rivals professional gear, while 4K recording at 240 frames per second gives you slow-motion footage that turns fast-paced action into jaw-dropping detail. A newly designed larger sensor makes a huge difference in low-light scenarios. Whether you're filming at a concert, on a night trail, or indoors, footage looks cleaner, sharper, and far less noisy than before. And of course, GoPro's legendary hyper-smooth stabilization is now in its 7th generation, producing buttery smooth footage in the most extreme environments. Whether you're racing on a mountain bike, surfing massive waves, or free-falling at high speeds, your footage stays unbelievably steady. The Hero 14 Black also introduces smarter creative tools. AI-assisted framing tracks and centers your subject, no matter how unpredictable their movement may be. Horizon leveling has been taken up a notch. It can now hold orientation even if the camera flips fully upside down, something athletes like snowboarders, skaters, or gymnasts will love. For creators who don't want to spend hours tinkering with settings, expanded cinematic presets provide polished, professional looks instantly. Quick capture modes also make it simple to start filming with your preferred setup at a moment's notice. These updates save time and put the focus back on the action, not the menus. Battery life is another standout improvement. The higher capacity battery and efficient thermal management give you nearly 2.5 hours of recording time in 4K. Rapid USB-C charging refuels the camera to 80% in under 30 minutes, which is perfect for action-packed days when every moment counts. Connectivity has also been revamped. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 support, transferring your footage to your phone or the GoPro app is smoother and faster. The app itself is evolving too, offering better in-app editing, more reliable cloud backups, and even live 4K streaming. This means creators can capture, edit, and share their adventures instantly. No heavy editing setup required. Put it all together, and the Hero 14 Black doesn't feel like a small step forward. It feels like a truly complete package designed for athletes, adventurers, vloggers, and filmmakers. Whether you're capturing extreme sports, documenting daily life, or experimenting with new creative angles, this camera delivers the tools to make it happen. And that brings us to the end of our in-depth look at the GoPro Hero 14 Black. This is more than just a small refresh. It's a well-rounded evolution that combines rugged durability, professional-grade video, and cutting-edge creativity into one sleek package. From its slimmer and tougher design, brighter displays, and redesigned buttons, to its stunning 8K video capture, cinematic slow motion, and smarter AI-driven tools, it's clear that GoPro set out to raise the bar. Add in the extended battery life, rapid charging, and faster connectivity, and you have a camera that's built to handle virtually any adventure. But as always, the real question comes down to you. Is the Hero 14 Black the groundbreaking leap you've been waiting for, or does your current GoPro still get the job done? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share them in the comments below and join the conversation with other creators and adventurers. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on future deep dives into the latest tech. Here on Factic, we're all about bringing you the gear insights that help shape your creative journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.